Good evening, everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to solve one annoying issue. I was looking around in Streamer.Bot Discord and stumbled across one issue when sometimes Streamer.Bot doesn't see your YouTube stream, and because of that, none of the actions, comments, etc. don't work. I decided to investigate it, and I think I know who is to blame. In short, both YouTube developers and Streamer.Bot developer Nate. Oh, hi Nate. I don't mean anything bad. You did a great job creating Streamer.Bot, but it requires a little bit of testing, and I'm here to help. And now I will show you how I test it and how I find the problem. For those who just want a solution, skip to the solution chapter. I assume that you connected your YouTube stream account with Streamer.Bot. There must be no problems. For our test, we need to watch for broadcast started event. I just slapped sound alert to it, so I can just hear when it happens. For testing, I will use my test chat command. It just prints message in the chat. And also we will watch on stream info. Now we need to understand how you start your live stream. Method 1. You use OBS with connected YouTube account. In this case, you have two options. Option 1 is to create a new broadcast. Here you fill your title, description and other stuff. For testing, I will use private stream, so I don't annoy my subscribers. I don't have many of them, because my name is not PewDiePie, so I don't want to lose them. Then you either create broadcast and start streaming right away, or click create broadcast and then click start streaming. Also, there is the option to start it later, but for our problem at hand, it doesn't matter. All these ways create scheduled stream. And when your broadcast reaches YouTube, it will trigger broadcast started event. Then we will hear our sound. Ooh. And stream info became available. Now let's use our test command. And we got response. Everything worked fine in this setup. Now we will stop our stream and inspect option 2. Select existing broadcast. There you also have two ways. Use auto-created stream or open YouTube Studio. If you go to YouTube Studio and create new scheduled stream, you then can use it in OBS, but it will be equivalent to option 1. Ooh. And everything will work as intended. So we don't interested in it right now. So let's go back to OBS and choose auto-created stream. When you select it, you again have two buttons like in option 1, but behavior is different. When you start stream from auto-created stream, Streamer.Bot will not work. It doesn't see this live stream. Stream info isn't available and comments will not trigger. Method 2. You use OBS without connected YouTube account, but with stream key. Here you again have two options. Create scheduled stream or use auto-created one. And again, if you use scheduled stream, everything works fine. Ooh. Comments are sent, events are working. And if you use auto-created stream, everything breaks again. We're starting to see a pattern here. Streamer.Bot doesn't work with auto-created streams. So I dived into Streamer.Bot logs and what I see. It periodically sends get my active broadcast request to the YouTube API, and here the problem is. If I will try to find broadcast IDs for auto-created streams in response from YouTube API, I will not find them here. According to YouTube API documentation, it can return all user broadcasts, but for some reason response doesn't contain auto-created streams. This is where YouTube devs screwed up, in my opinion. And Nate's fault was just to believe them without testing all cases. So the solution is simple. Always create your streams in advance using scheduled streams. Then it will work. At least throughout all my testing, it was working all the time. Another solution for Nate is just changing request to YouTube API. Don't use filter mine, and instead use filter broadcast status with value all. And then filter it out on client side. And another tip for streamers. If you are testing your chat commands, change your chat setting from top chat to live chat. Because YouTube doesn't care if you are the owner of a channel. It will suppress your repetitive messages like a spam. I hope this little video help to solve your issue. If not, leave a comment with your problem and I'll see what I can do. For now, I know what you can do. Go please the algorithm. Have a good evening and bye bye.